Hey guys, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making a monster cake. The one that I made today has 3 eyes and a mouth. Also, it's super easy to make. The only ingredients you need are colored fondant and a piping bag. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are 3 6-inch cake layers, colored buttercream, and 2 piping bags, one fitted with a star tip and one fitted with a round tip. Also, you'll need colored fondant. Black, white, and a color of your choice. Before assembling the cake, pipe some buttercream on top of a cake board on top of a cake turntable. Then place down the first layer of cake. Now use the piping bag fitted with a round piping tip to pipe the colored buttercream in a swirl motion all over the first layer. Now place down the second cake layer and pipe on another swirl of buttercream. Then place down the final cake layer upside down. This will ensure that the frosting will be more smooth when we frost the cake. After that, pile on more colored buttercream on top, then spread it out with an offset spatula. Once the frosting is hanging over the sides, cover the sides in buttercream too. Once the entire cake is covered in buttercream, take a bench scraper and hold it along the side of the cake. Then spin the turntable to smooth out the buttercream. After that, use a small offset spatula to smooth out any buttercream that's sticking up. Once this coat of buttercream is complete, place the cake in the fridge to firm up for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the fondant decorations for the face. You can do these however you want. Today I'm doing 3 eyes and a mouth. First, I'm starting out by rolling out black fondant. This is going to be used for the mouth. Next, use a sharp tool of some sort and cut out a piece of black fondant in the shape of a mouth. After that, shape white fondant into teeth. Then place it on both sides of the mouth. After creating the mouth, begin to make the eyes. Start by rolling balls out of white fondant. Next, make flat black circles and place them in the center of the white fondant ball. The final step after that is to place a little white ball in the center of each black circle. Now spread some buttercream on the newly cooled cake and attach the mouth. Then begin piping purple buttercream to cover up the rest of the cake. We'll attach on the eyes later. Begin by piping under the mouth and then make your way up the sides. Continue turning the cake until the entire sides are covered. Also, be sure to pipe buttercream on top. Next, attach the eyeballs. To do this, I inserted toothpicks into each one, then press them into the buttercream. I even decided to add some ears on top. These were super easy to make. All I used was pink fondant. Just like the eyeballs, I inserted a toothpick into each one before attaching it to the cake. And there you go, the cake is complete. All that's left now is to cut into it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.